Previously on... Two teams must survive, with no tools, no food, no nothing, just hands and feet.
Hands! 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 Hands in there. Hands! Hands, rolling.
Grab your popcorn and get ready to laugh.
What you feel going into this challenge right now? Nerve, feel?
No, sir. I'm used to them life, But you find local coconut, drop off a tree with your hooks that in my teeth.
Stay tuned, don't miss it.
All for my mind right now, if you just go up there, find food for surviving, guys. That me I pray. And only food that was mine.
Finally here. Get ready. 3 years ago, deep in the wild, untamed hills of Jamaica, a challenge began that would test courage, survival, and the power of teamwork. Now it returns, bigger, crazier, and more unpredictable than ever.
Check in, people. You are going now. Alright, I know say today we see we topless, you see me, shirtless. We don't have no shoes. And you are going now. We are do a survival video. We will make it a little bit different from the usual video. So it's like a game basically. So we're gonna have two teams, alright? So me, Papi, Murphy supposed to be on that team, yeah? And then Sax, Kanta, and Climber are on that team. You see me, it's supposed to be like red team and black team. And the goal is to find food for the time. We can't carry no lighter, we can't carry no farmer cutting tools, so no knife, no machete, nothing. We can't go up on the farm, but we normally go up on none at all. The farm there is off limits. Yeah, because that go too easy, because we have so much things on the farm, so we can't go up on the farm none at all. Are you ready for the challenge?
We're ready right now.
Yeah. You see me? So Climber, how you feel about going into this adventure right now, knowing that we not eat nothing and we can't carry no farmer fire, no farmer tools, except your bare hands.
It will be a little challenge, you see me? But you have to fight it out, man.
How you feel going into this challenge right now? How you feel? Nervous?
No, sir. I'm used to them life, Fruits up there, you see. What you find local coconut, drop off a tree with your hooks that in my teeth.
So Kanta, tell you what I go on for the day.
Alright, just go up in the hills and go see how we can find and survive. How much in hour depends how long we have to stay up in the bush still, But feel so we are survive, man.
Alright.
You can use stone and peel coconut or jelly if you find it. See, we can use the stone as a cutting tool to cut anything. So I find a very sharp stone.
So yeah, man, so anyways, like I tell everybody else, just go out there, stay safe, because safety first.
Yeah, man.
So, above everything, make it fun, but be careful, see? What you think right now going into this challenge?
Why? All for my mind right now, if you just go up there, find food for surviving, guys. That me I pray.
Alright, and you feel like say you're going to find food?
Yeah, it's a must.
Alright, yes, people, so we're there with the great Murphy, coming out looking like Jesus. Take your time.
Yeah, man, right banana and thing the bush enough.
Ants, mosquito, because you also ants when them bite you, they swell up and them look something about. So anyways, we gear up, we're ready. So we're going to head out. So see you guys out there.
The guys headed out, their feet crunching on the dry leaves beneath them. No tools, no supplies, just their hands and feet to help them survive in the wild. They moved in sync, working together to navigate the terrain. Each step felt like a new challenge, but they were ready. With their teammates by their side, they were confident they'd make it through. A few hours in the wild was nothing they couldn't handle.
Alright, people. So, Murphy, I can get something stuck in your foot already. You good? You say Maca already? Yes, people, so we're on the move. The next team we don't know where them up to now.
Man, so no afraid of biting, man. Yeah, man. Hands. Yeah, man, see hands in there. Hands rolling.
Murphy, I was so upset that thing, but guess what?
Like a young or green.
Young man.
So you gonna do Murphy? Yeah. You gonna eat it?
Yeah, man, guys, I'm Murphy fine.
So Murphy, how that taste? Eh?
Guys, we are checking close up.
That can't taste good, Murphy. Jesus God. We take my chance. We go and be a young girl.
Yeah. Murphy, let's say you find the first food. So Murphy, what that you find?
Oh, what's up?
See how you eat that?
Say that green Murphy. Say that first food that I did.
Let me try you find. First food that. You reach now, I'm tired of first. I no food them big store. Man, no good, you know, guys. That's shake. No bring it still. Bring it in case.
Yeah, me for one chocolate in life. First up is a motor man.
I mean, time. Yeah, facts. I use a stone, peel the coconut. As you said, no lighter, no machete or knife.
No machete. No cut, none something like that. And the knife, the machete, the stone, and peel it fast on the machete.
This one sauce up tree and I see bird eat sauce up.
Bird eye sauce.
Yeah.
See a sauce up tree.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Sauce up everyone, man.
Bird, the funny we know say. Ripe sauce up.
Yeah, man.
Hold on.
That one I look like you ripe too.
Yeah, that one look like you right.
Yeah, man.
Climb it, walk climb it.
Jesus Christ.
You jump?
Yeah.
But most are in your mouth.
We don't have to eat the good part.
But we don't know if I rat near me.
Bird.
See how you eat this?
Yeah. And only food that we find. Otherwise, I'm Murphy. Yeah, man, guys, I'm Murphy fine.
So Murphy, how that taste? Eh? I don't eat this, man. I don't know if I rat bite it.
Well,
See how I name this?
yeah. That's another choice.
Careful, you know?
Right now, doing nothing.
So people, Murphy name a green sauce up. Probably find a ripe sauce up with something bite him, say a bird. I now take my chances.
See part where you get bite. And a little piece of roundness and you get bite.
Not bad.
First food that I did for me. Can't make it go away. See, I go on for your food now.
Yeah. You ripe, you know?
The one there just drop look like you ripe too.
But here we go on. Something bite you on my back.
This so can't pop off. How we can't make a red team find food before we?
Right now, I doubt if they find nothing yet.
See the guys make a board climb already. Tell this man. That's it, Africa. So bad,
More food again. Take your time. Let's say bad.
Man, so what's up? What's make Joe?
The man, guys, so we find one. We have to share it up, guys, because I share away a par. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
We give thanks to the birds, because I them make you know say sauce up there. So people, we will signal the next team to see if them be anywhere close by.
Two teams, one mission, survive in the hills of Jamaica, but with no food and rising tension. Will they make it or give up? The journey continues. In part 2, just stay tuned.
Only available on Kelly Tunes.